Finally, LiquidRemix is back for the Redmi Note 5 Pro. And hey, what is up guys, this is Tito back with another video on the Redmi Note 5 Pro today, and this is the 19th June 2019 build of the LiquidRemix ROM. Well, I just flashed it a few hours ago and this ROM is working pretty fine. Yes, I was on the Siberia ROM and then I decided to switch to the LiquidRemix because a lot of you guys have been asking me about it. So let me just go into the settings and show you the about section quickly over here. And first of all, let me show you the Android version section. And here, as you can see the build date over here, 19 June 2019, 10.0.9 LiquidRemix build version, and official build of course, and Android version. As you can see, this is totally based on Android Pie. Let me just go back. The security patch is latest June 5th 2019. The stock kernel here is Pixel Experience Plus kernel, and here you can see the build date and number over here again. Let me just go back from here. So this ROM, well, LiquidRemix has been known for the speed and customization as well. Well, yes, the speed is really amazing over here and everything feels really fast and fluid over here. First of all, let's talk about the wallpaper. Well, this is from the LiquidRemix wallpaper app. Let me show you. This is the wallpaper app over here, which you get by default, and you can choose between like whatever wallpapers. These all have the LiquidRemix logo, so you can choose from them. I just choose this one. And over here, the stock launcher is the quick step launcher. Let me show you the launcher settings over here. This is pretty simplistic. In gestures, we do have the double tap to screen off gesture. So if you just double tap anywhere on the home screen, it will go to sleep. Pretty quick, right? And if you go to the left, we have the Google Now cards. You can swipe down anywhere from the home screen and it will get you to the quick setting panel. So pretty good launcher over here. And the stock camera present over here is the MIUI camera. You also can install Google camera. I just installed it, and as you can see, Google camera is working fine too, since we do have camera to API by default. So let me just open a few apps first. I'll show you the customizations later on. So as you can see, the app open up animations are by default set to 0.5x, I think. So everything feels a lot faster over here, that I gotta say. As you can see, even the loading animation and stuff like that is pretty fast. And let me open all the apps from memory again. So all the apps I think are in memory, so no issues whatsoever regarding memory management, and you can directly switch between apps just like this. And the app open up speeds are like super fast over here. No complaints regarding those. Now talking about Google Pay, well, banking apps is not really working, I would say, because I tried to set up Google app. By default, the Google app can't be like set up over here. As you can see, it says that like my device is rooted or something like that, or custom OS. So that is how it is. But I think you can like use Google Pay or something like that by just going to the apps and then just go to see all apps to like the Google Play services. Just find the Google Play services from here and go to the permission of Google Play services. Then from here, disable the phone and SMS app permission. Now you can set up Google Pay. Let me just do it. So as you can see, once you have done the setup, you can definitely log into your Google Pay and should be working fine if you disable the phone and SMS app permission from the Google Play services. So that is really good. What I am noticing over here, that if you just scroll down from here, it won't let you to get into the quick setting panel. You have to do it like from the top. So that is how it is. And over here we have the like night light and stuff. As you can see, it works fine. Let me just go into the display settings first. We have the night light. As you can see, there is no like the adaptive display or something like that, I think. And the adaptive brightness or the auto brightness is there. And we have the double tap to wake over here. So that thing is there, and switch appearance is there too. And if you scroll down, you will see bunch of options. You have the UI style to choose from Pixel or AOSP. You can choose the background color to light, dark, black, etc. And you can even choose the notification, like whatever notification you have, you can choose that one's color to be light, dark or black. That is really great. And we have the accent colors of the like material palette design or the user requested colors. And we have the like use default colors for the quick setting toggles, I think. And you can choose the quick setting header style to be accent best over here. As you can see, this is how it looks like right now. So you can change the quick setting tile styles too from here, so that you can like change these toggle styles. And you can change the corner values too if you want to. And font manager is also there, so you get bunch of fonts over here. This is pretty close or like more than half a quest, I think. So you get too much like options for the fonts. And over here we have the font size, display size, etc. customization. We even have the DPI changing option if you're into that. And inside security, let me show you the lock screen like preference settings. This is how it looks like. And face unlock is there. I just flashed the micro G apps once. You do not need to worry about flashing it 2 times here, I think. So that is how it is. And if you go to the sound settings, we have the like also hybrid for calls. And over here we have the charging sound, charging vibration, etc. disabling option. And we also have the Mi Audio Direct or Mi Sound Enhancer. You can choose the youth edition or stuff like that. And if you go into the liquid launch, we have all the customizations over here. And first of all, we have the ambient display customization. You can like turn the ambient display for new notifications or music ticker or however you like it. And we have the like whole UI animation changing option. You can change the screen off animation to CRT or stuff like that. You can even change the power menu appearing animation too from here, as you can see. And you can change the quick setting toggle styles animation. Let me just go back. If you go into the buttons, we have the volume rocker customization. As you can see over here, we have the volume panels like this. You can expand the volume panels of course from here. Let me go back again, and you can add more stuff in the volume panel of course. And inside gestures, we have bunch of gestures like AOSP gesture, the normal thing, and app circle bar is there, carbon gestures are there, and even edge gestures are present, and these work super fine. And gesture anywhere feature is there too. Navigation gestures are there, and even pie gesture like pie control gesture is there too. And swipe to take screenshot is there too, and it works fine as you can see, and it does not scroll, and it is really fast. Everything is really fast over here. Screen off power button torch works fine too. Status bar and lock screen double tap to sleep works super fine too over here. You do not need to worry. And over here, if you go into the keyboard, you have some customizations for the keyboards too. And inside lock screen, things get really interesting. Let me show you that we have selected the text like Android Q style clock, and in the lock screen, this is how it looks like. As you can see, it has the Android Q style lock screen things. And over here, you can increase or decrease the font size and stuff like that over here. And we have the lock screen charging info too. And also we have the face auto unlock option, fingerprint authentication vibration, and pin ripple option is there, and fingerprint unlock like force fingerprint unlock option is there, and it is working fine over here. This is one upside than the Siberia OS. I'm just comparing it for just like my usage, but do not take it for granted. The Siberia OS is really good. Do not like think about like that the Siberia OS is bad or something like that. But LiquidRemix has more customizations like clearly. You do not have to enter pin whenever you reboot. So that is really great. And media cover is there, and lock screen weather and stuff is there. You have to set up, I think. And miscellaneous options, like if you go into that, we have the like pocket detection, USB configuration, and wake up on charge. You can disable it if you want to, and like screenshot things like that. Inside navigation, we have the normal navigation mode. You can set it to smart bar or fling. If you go into the stock settings, you can like choose the layout to be inverted, and as you can see, my back button is to the right side, and we have the normal gestures too. You can even have double tap to sleep if you are using the like enable full gesture mode from here. And you can even adjust the portrait height and stuff, and you can have the navigation pulse option. And inside notifications, we have the heads up disabling option, and list boarding heads up is there. Battery light, we have the do not disturb thing, and notification light for each app is there. And also we have the in-call vibration options over here. Vibrate on connect, on call waiting and stuff like that is there. We even have the notification ticker. If you go into the power menu, we have the advanced reboot and stuff like that. So over here, let me show you that we have the like directly rebooting to recovery, fast boot, etc. options. Let me just go back. If you go into the quick setting, we have the like quick pull down, smart pull down, etc. options, and drag handle and stuff like that. Quick setting, edit icon and stuff like that is there. Into recents panel, so we have the recent style changing option to quick step, stock, or Android Go, and we have the icon pack for recents panel too. And if you go into the status bar, of course we do have the battery bar, and carrier level customizations are there. Clock settings are there so that you can change the font size and stuff like that. And also we have the status bar items so that you can enable the headset, Bluetooth, etc. icon for the status bar. And we have the liquid logo if you want to enable it, and battery like icon is there. You can use the Android Q battery style over here, and normal notification count and stuff like that is there. And also we have the brightness control, so you can control the brightness just by swiping on the status bar like this. So this is pretty interesting, I would say. And VoLTE calls, like VoLTE icon is there, I mean not the VoLTE calls. And regarding VoLTE calls, well, yes, VoLTE calls via like both SIMs are working fine. So dual VoLTE is there, you can use it. And in the call UI, you have the call recording option and video calling option as well. So that is all regarding this customization. Talking about the battery life, well, I have not used this ROM for quite a long time, but I would say the battery life should be pretty good, about 6 to 7 hours pretty easily. It might even last 7+ hours, so you do not need to worry. And we do have the battery charging warning, battery info, you can see like capacity, temperature, etc. stuff, and the battery saver and stuff is there, and it works fine, I think. And here is the fingerprint scanner speed of this ROM. As you can see, it's pretty decent, not bad at all. So that is pretty much it, guys, regarding the LiquidRemix ROM, the latest build of the LiquidRemix ROM over here on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think about this ROM. And if you go into the settings and into system, I think we do not have the system updater over here. And if you go into the about phone, still I do not see any the system updater over here. I don't know why, but the system updater is simply missing over here. So that is how it is, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel down there if you have not yet. This is Tito from KDN Tech signing off for today. I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye now.